What's up guys, Greg here from Carid.com, and I'm here with our Jeep Rubicon. And ever since we built this thing, a lot of you Jeep guys out there have always felt we got too much rim and not enough tire. Well, we just started stocking an all new off-road wheel brand on the site called Venomrex, and we got a set of their wheels to go ahead and remedy that problem. Let's go ahead and check them out. Oh yeah, Christmas morning. Oh boy. So, these are Venomrex's VR-501 wheels, 20x9 in a mystic black finish. These are going to be the perfect addition to our Jeep to really give it that off-road look. We're going to go ahead and get some 37-inch tires, get those mounted and balanced on this thing, and bolt them up to our Jeep. Stay tuned for another video when we get ahead and get that done to see how it looks.